Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start by getting into screen time right now. First, make sure iOS is current and you have at least one backup. Open Settings, tap Screen Time, and turn it on. Choose whether this is your iPhone or a child's device. Once done, enable Share across devices if you want synced limits. Then set a screen time passcode. This prevents casual changes. These steps let you control and monitor usage. They prepare the system for the limits, and downtime you'll configure next. Next, you'll build the actual limits. Tap App Limits to add categories or individual apps, choose hours per day, and customize days for school or weekends. Then set downtime to block non-essential apps during focus periods, pick start and end times, and enable during specific days. Use always allowed to whitelist phone, messages, or navigation apps so emergencies aren't blocked. Make sure to enable block at downtime if you want strict enforcement. This combination gives reliable restriction and predictable breaks for attention management. Finish by reviewing usage and tuning limits. Check weekly reports to see which apps use most time and reduce or increase limits accordingly. If you set a screen time passcode, store it safely. To change it, go to Settings, Screen Time, change Screen Time passcode. If something goes wrong, like limits not syncing, sign out of iCloud on the device, restart, then sign back in. This often fixes share across devices issues. If passcode is forgotten, you can reset it via your Apple ID on recent iOS versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.